Okay, if you've ever tried propagating plants and it just doesn't go how you planned, you are not alone. I had these little spider plant babies I was so excited about, but every time I tried putting them in water, they would just flop over sideways and not root properly. It was honestly so frustrating. Then I tried this and it completely changed everything. If your cuttings won't stay upright, aren't rooting well, or keep struggling, this gives them the perfect environment to actually thrive. So this is a natural sphagnum moss, and you get 1 bag over 10 ounces, which expands to about 34 quarts when fluffed up. It's hand-picked, air-dried, and completely natural, no additives. What makes this so good? It holds moisture really well so your plants stay hydrated. It gives roots a soft, supportive structure to grow into. It's perfect for propagation, orchids, moss pools, even carnivore plants. And it's super versatile. You can use it for so many different plant setups. If you've seen people worry about mold, quick tip, you can sterilize it before using. I did that and I've had 0 issues. My spider plant babies have been growing and re-rooting for 3 weeks now, and they look so healthy. I'm rooting for them. I'm seriously so happy with how this turned out. If you want happier, healthier plants and way easier propagation, grab this. Your plant babies will thank you.